I enjoy most is the range of activities that we do during lunchtimes, and I take part in the dodgeball and I really enjoy it there. I think it's a really fun game and it helps you develop on your throwing skills and catching skills.
Activate is really cool because it helps people build confidence, leadership skills, as one of the clubs is challenge yourself.
Alongside the Young Silver Ambassadors, we do netball club on a Monday lunchtime with year 7s, and this has helped us gain our own knowledge of netball, and we use it when we're playing our own matches, and it also gives us confidence.